Today we are going to start with the third chapter, that is pair of linear equations in two variables. We have already done previously, that is in 9th standard, equation in two variable which is of the general form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. That is a single linear equation which is in two variables. Now here a and b, that is the coefficient of x and the coefficient of y, cannot be equal to 0. C, the constant term, may or may not be 0, but a and b definitely cannot be equal to 0. If a is equal to 0, that is if coefficient of x is equal to 0, then the ax term will not be there and it will be equation only in single variable y. Same way, if b is equal to 0, then also the by term will not be there and the equation will be again in single variable x. So both the variables have to be there for it to be a linear equation in two variables, and hence a and b cannot be equal to 0. For example, x plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. This is an example of a linear equation in two variable. Now in such an equation, if you substitute any value of x, you can find a corresponding value of y. So if I substitute x equal to 0, I can find the y value as 3. Same way, if I substitute x equal to 6, then y will be equal to 0. And we can make a solution table the way I have made with x and y terms, that is one value of x and corresponding to that the value of y that I get, I can find out. And I can find infinite such sets of solutions which will satisfy the given equation. Now out of these values, out of all these values which I have found, I can plot any 4 or 5 points and form a graph like this. Now this graph will be a straight line. It must be a straight line. So this is the way the graph of the given equation looks like. Now all the points that are lying on this line satisfy the equation. Also, any value which satisfies the equation must lie on this line. So both ways it should be correct. That is, the values which are the points which are lying on this line, each and every point is a solution of the given equation. And whichever point satisfies the equation must lie on this line. So line can be extended indefinitely on both the directions. So after extending the line indefinitely, whatever points I can find on that line satisfy the equation. Now we are going to discuss a pair of linear equations in two variables. Pair, that means two linear equations in two variables which we have to solve simultaneously. So general form looks like this: a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. This is the first equation. And a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. This is the second equation. So a, b and c became a1, b1 and c1, and a2, b2 and c2 for equations 1 and 2. Now here also the method is same as the previous which I had explained you. We can substitute any value of x and find the corresponding value of y. So we have to form the solution table this time for both the equations. So there will be two solution tables. And on the same graph, there will be two lines which have to be plotted. So graphically how we can represent and graphically how we can solve, that is our first topic in this chapter. So example 1 is 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. This is the first equation. And the second is 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. This is the second equation. So let's see how we can plot this. Now for the first equation, I have substituted x equal to 0, 3 and 1, and corresponding value of y I got as 6, 0 and 4. You can substitute any other values also. Same way for equation 2, I have substituted x equal to 0, 1 and 2, and corresponding y values I have got as minus 2, 0 and 2. Now first draw the graph only for the equation 1. So 0, 6 is the first point, and second point is 3, 0, which is here, and 1, 4. So I got a straight line. Same way for equation 2, again I got a straight line, and both the lines are meeting at 1 point.